to Chef Shar's Creative Kitchen, and I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse into what I'm doing to revamp and up my YouTube channel. So I'm starting to create a small space in the kitchen where I can do like talking videos, kind of vlogs, things like that, information to help other people that are getting started, encouragement. So just a little bit space that is still in the kitchen. So when I say Chef Shar's Creative Kitchen, it is all about my kitchen, where I spend the most of my time anyways. So yeah, I turned this small space into a little area that I can sit and record vlogs. It's really cool. I think it's maybe like 2 feet, maybe like 2 feet in going this way or something. So I just have a little chair sitting here, and it's just a tiny, I want to say like a 2 foot by 2 foot by 2 foot area, just enough space for a chair with the backdrop of the kitchen. And I need to fix this. Oh my gosh, it's driving me nuts. Okay, it's driving me nuts that those aren't even. Sorry. So yes, so it's just a little space, and you can see like some of my cooking supplies up here. These are a lot of my gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, and diabetic friendly baking supplies. Then some other supplies, canned goods, and then I have like things over here, pots and pans and stuff. But anyways, and yeah, so I have this like cool little space that I can kind of sit and just chill and come and talk to you guys, and it's so amazing. So I'm gonna give you a little tour of my space, and when I say little, I mean a little tour of my video recording space. So if you are starting a YouTube channel and you need to make space, but you have to also inhabit that space, just take one little small area and design it just where you can come and sit and make a video. So just take that little tiny area, and just, you don't have to take up much of the house. This is in the kitchen still, so the family knows like kitchen is basically my area anyways. So I'm not taking up any extra space. I'm not taking up any of my son or my husband's space or a place that they like to be. I have created my own little tiny small studio space right here to sit and do videos. So I'm so super excited about it, guys. All right, let's take a tour. Okay, so like I was saying to you guys before, it is really just a small space in my house that I have turned into a little space that I can sit. You can see there's a refrigerator here. There's all of my stuff. I'm still working on it. I just started working on it today. And then I have my ring light here, and it's just this chair right there, and that's my small little space where I'm going to make amazing little videos just talking to you guys about different things. So I'm super excited about this little small space. And then I have like my content creator stuff up here, different pots, pans, all that kind of stuff, and I'm still working on this area too, but I'm super excited about this. So yes, just create your own small space where you can do your thing. So guys, I just wanted to end with a message. It does not matter where you start. It doesn't. Please let me stress that. It does not matter where you start. You can start anywhere and just start to create your content and just develop it over time. You don't wait until you're perfect at something to start doing it. You do it while you're still imperfect. You do it while it looks ugly, while you can't wrap your mind around it being, a serious thing, or while you can't fathom why somebody would like it. You do it with all these kind of things in your mind. Trust me, I know. And you just keep perfecting it. And the voices start to get quieter and quieter. The voices of self-doubt, the voices of lack of confidence, the voices of what if, how can I, I'm not good enough, I'm not great enough. They start to get smaller and smaller the more you push and push yourself and prove to yourself that you can do it, because you're just building your confidence. And the more confidence you have, the better off you're going to be. And just keep going. Don't worry if you're starting in a little small area like me, and I'm humble enough to show you guys, and I'm just humble enough to sit here and just be exactly who I am. But I just want to grow this YouTube channel and just share like myself with you guys, and I love you all, and you are capable of doing whatever it is that you want to do. And just start. It does not have to be perfect. Just start. All right, guys, you know what to do. Like, comment, share, all that good stuff that I need y'all to do. Do that for your girl. All right, bye.